Related to exercise, here are 3 simple things that can help you build consistency. Number 1, decide before the alarm. Some mornings you'll be tired, but when the alarm goes off, the decision is already made. You get up. Number 2, know what comes next. Don't wake up guessing. Maybe it's a bike, a swim, a run, or just a walk. Have it ready. Start without hesitation. Number 3, do it before the day takes over. Later, something always comes up: work, family, life. So start early, even if it's small. What matters is doing it again and again and again. That's consistency, not motivation. A decision you keep repeating.